everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because today we are talking about something that is literally changing the world as we speak. No, not my new haircut, although that's pretty revolutionary too. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, AI. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Robots taking over? Well, maybe someday. But right now, AI is more like that super helpful friend who always knows the answer, never forgets anything, and helps you get out of traffic. It's quietly working in the background, making our lives so much easier, and you might not even realize it. Think about your day-to-day. You know those little annoyances? The things that make you go, ugh, really? Like forgetting to buy milk even though you told yourself 10 times? Or trying to find that one specific photo of your dog wearing a tiny hat from 3 years ago? Or getting stuck in traffic and being late for, well, everything? It's the worst. We've all been there, pulling our hair out over these small but super frustrating daily struggles. Well, what if I told you that AI is already solving these problems for you, right now, instantly? Today, I'm going to show you 5 everyday problems that you probably deal with all the time, and how AI swoops in like a digital superhero to save the day. You're using this stuff already, and you don't even know it. It's incredible! So stick around because you're about to see just how much easier your life already is, thanks to AI. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, let's talk about something many of us use every single second of the day. Our smart personal assistants. I'm talking about Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. You know the gang. These aren't just voices in a box. They are your personal butlers, your schedulers, your trivia masters, all rolled into one. You're running out the door, your hands are full, and you suddenly remember you have a dentist appointment next Tuesday. You don't have to stop, put everything down, find your calendar and write it in. No, you just shout, "Hey Siri, remind me about the dentist on Tuesday," and bam, done. It's like having a real-life assistant, but you don't have to pay them or remember their birthday. Think about the sheer amount of mental energy that saves. Before, our brains were cluttered with these little to-do items. Remember to call mom, need to pick up dry cleaning. What was the capital of Nebraska again? It was exhausting. Now you can just outsource all that mental heavy lifting. You can settle arguments with friends in seconds about who starred in that one movie from 1998. You can get a weather forecast without even looking outside. You can set a timer for your pizza rolls without getting grease on your phone. It's the little things, you know? It's about making life smoother, one voice command at a time. It's absolutely fantastic. And it just keeps getting smarter. These assistants learn your habits. They learn your voice. They get better at understanding what you actually mean when you mumble something at 6 a.m. They can play your favorite Get Pumped playlist, tell you a joke when you're feeling down, or even control the lights in your house. It's like living in the Jetsons, but with better Wi-Fi. The problem of having too much to remember and not enough hands or brain power, solved instantly by your friendly neighborhood AI. It's a game changer, truly. Okay, next up. Let's talk about something we all deal with and we all hate. I'm talking about spam email. Oh, the horror! You open your inbox hoping for an important message, and what do you find? You've won a Nigerian lottery. Miracle pills to make you taller. Hot singles in your area are waiting. It's like a digital flea market you never asked to visit. It used to be a massive problem. People would spend the first hour of their workday just deleting junk, trying to find the one email that actually mattered. It was a huge, frustrating waste of time. But have you noticed? It's gotten so much better. You might still see 1 or 2 slip through, but for the most part, your main inbox is pretty clean. And who do we have to thank for that? You guessed it, our good friend AI. AI algorithms are like the world's most efficient, most ruthless digital garbage men. They work 24/7, sorting through billions of emails, learning what looks like spam and what doesn't. They look for suspicious links, weird phrasing, and sender reputations, and they instantly chuck all that junk into the spam folder, so you never have to see it. It's amazing. This isn't just a simple keyword filter anymore. This is advanced machine learning. The AI gets smarter with every email it sees. When you mark something as spam, you're not just cleaning your own inbox, you're teaching the AI. You're training it to be an even better spam fighter for everyone. It's a global team effort. So the next time you look at your clean, organized inbox and find that important message from your boss right at the top, take a moment to thank the silent, unsung hero working behind the scenes. The AI spam filter is saving you from a digital avalanche of nonsense every single day. This next one is a lifesaver, and I mean that literally. It has saved me from being late to so many important meetings, dinners, and probably a few of my own shows. I'm talking about navigation and real-time traffic updates. Remember the old days? You'd print out MapQuest directions. Remember that? Pages and pages of instructions. Turn left in 0.2 miles and you'd miss the turn and be completely lost. Or you'd get stuck in a traffic jam that appeared out of nowhere. And that was it. Your afternoon was ruined. You just had to sit there and listen to the radio, completely helpless. Enter AI-powered apps like Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps. These things are pure magic. They don't just give you a static route from A to B. They are analyzing an insane amount of data in real time. They're looking at traffic data from other phones on the road, accident reports, construction updates, even the average speed of cars on every single street. It's like having 1,000 traffic helicopters reporting directly to you all at once. And the AI processes all of this information in a split second. The result? It gives you the absolute fastest route based on what's happening. And if a new accident happens up ahead while you're driving, it doesn't just let you drive into the gridlock. Nope, it instantly recalculates your route. A faster route is available, your phone says, like a guardian angel of punctuality. It'll guide you through side streets you never even knew existed to get you around the jam. The problem of unexpected traffic and getting hopelessly lost is practically a thing of the past. AI has turned every driver into a master navigator with insider knowledge. Okay, picture this. You're with your friends telling a hilarious story about your trip to the beach last summer. And you say, "Oh my gosh, I have the funniest picture of it." And then, the panic sets in. You start scrolling, and scrolling, and scrolling. You're going through thousands of photos of your food, your cat, screenshots of memes, and you can't find it. The moment passes, the story loses its punch, and you just look like the person who can't find a photo on their own phone. It's the worst, right? We take so many pictures, our camera rolls are like digital black holes. Well, this is another everyday problem where AI has quietly become our best friend. On your smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, there's a powerful AI working behind the scenes in your Photos app. When you take a picture, the AI analyzes it. It recognizes faces, objects, and locations. It sees a dog, a beach, a mountain, a birthday cake. It does all of this automatically without you having to do a thing. It's like having a personal librarian for your life's memories, meticulously cataloging everything for you. It's unbelievable. So now you don't have to scroll endlessly. You can just go to the search bar in your Photos app and type. You can type beach, and it will show you all your beach photos. You can type dog, and presto, there's every picture of your furry friend. You can even get specific, like dog on beach, and it will narrow it down. Or you can search by a person's name or a city you visited. The problem of a messy, unsearchable photo library is solved. AI has turned your chaotic camera roll into a perfectly organized, instantly searchable archive of your life. For our last one, let's talk about something that connects the entire world language, but it's also something that can separate us. Traveling to a country where you don't speak the language can be intimidating. Trying to read a menu, ask for directions, or just have a simple conversation can feel impossible. For years, the solution was carrying a clunky phrase book and awkwardly flipping through pages trying to find the right sentence. Where is the bathroom? It wasn't exactly a smooth experience, was it? Now AI has completely shattered that barrier. With apps like Google Translate, you have a universal translator right in your pocket. This is Star Trek level stuff, people. It's not just translating word for word, which often leads to hilarious but incorrect sentences. Modern AI translation, using what's called neural machine translation, understands context, grammar, and nuance. It tries to figure out what you to say and translates it in a much more natural-sounding way. It's incredible. You can type a phrase, you can speak into your phone and have it speak the translation out loud, or, and this is my favorite part, you can use your camera. You can literally point your phone's camera at a sign, a menu, or a document, and the AI will translate the text and overlay it on your screen in real time. It's like magic. Suddenly, the world feels so much more accessible. The problem of communication in a foreign land is no longer a barrier. It's an opportunity. AI is helping us connect with people and cultures in ways we could only dream of just a decade ago. So there you have it. 5 huge everyday headaches that AI is already fixing for us. From organizing our photos to helping us navigate a foreign city. It's pretty amazing when you stop and think about it. AI isn't some scary thing from the future. It's a practical tool that's woven into the fabric of our daily lives, making everything just a little bit easier, a little bit smoother, and a little less frustrating. It's the silent partner we never knew we needed. And the best part is, it's only going to get smarter and more helpful from here. I mean, can you imagine what we'll be able to do in another 5 years? It's going to be wild. Now I want to hear from you. This is the fun part. Which one of these AI solutions do you use the most? Are you constantly asking Siri for reminders? Does Google Maps save you from traffic jams on the daily? Or is the spam filter the true MVP of your digital life? Let me know down in the comments. I read them all, and I'm genuinely curious to see which of these has the biggest impact on all of you. It's a great way for us all to see just how integrated this technology has become. And hey, if you enjoyed this and want to learn more about the cool tech that's shaping our world, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. We have so much more to explore together. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.